Hi everyone. After a long time, today I want to talk to you about certain facts between machine learning, data, and how we think. So you must have heard a lot about machine learning these days and data being collected for it, and we'll be dumping that data into machines so that they can make certain set of decisions. So now let me help you understand how your brain thinks. So from the time you were born till now, you have so many data points that you have gathered. So everything or every second, whatever information you take using your senses, like your eyes, your nose, your touch, everything, whatever information you take is being gathered as a data point for you in your head. Example, if there is a hot pan, okay, and you touch it, as a child you have this habit of touching everything. So now when you touch it for the first time, you understand that if there is a hot pan, hotness is gathered using your touch. Okay, so with that and your eyes, you are with these two senses, you were able to analyze that when I see a hot pan, okay, and if I touch it, I will feel a burning sensation in my hand. So that is a data. Using that data, you made certain inferences. Now in your life after that, whatever decisions you make, okay, will be based on certain data points that you have gathered over the years. Like if you're driving, okay, why we always say that experience is very important, because when you are gaining experience over the period of time, you have gathered a lot of information which will help you make a decision in future. Correct? So that's what we are trying to do these days with machines. So what we are trying to do right now is we are trying to gather a lot of information from which we'll be giving to our machines so that they can go ahead and make certain set of decisions. And that's what we want our machines to points, and then go ahead and later on, using whatever data points that they have gathered, they'll be able to make a decision. Okay, so our machines should be intelligent enough to gather information, and in future whatever information you have gathered in past will be able to process it and make a valuable inference out of it and then take a decision. So all of this is already there in your brain. Okay, so that's what I wanted to discuss with you guys, that we don't admire the brain that we have, computation power that our brain has, okay, and the data that our brain gathers, the kind of inferences and different data points that our brain gathers, and different information that it takes out for every day to day and a small activity that you perform every day. So thank you guys, and I hope this session was informative. We will be coming up with more and more small videos for you so that we can stay connected. If you have any doubts, any questions that you would like to ask me, please feel free to text us on this channel.